What's going on, guys? Will's Trees here, and today I warned y'all about the next snowstorm coming through. Fully snowing outside, and you know I'm in Metro Atlanta, so you don't see this too often. While all my succulents are cozy inside, very snowy outside, and none of this would survive outside. Yeah, so I'm gonna just show you guys my bonsai trees. Come on out. This right here. Like I said, I'm not very used to this. This does not happen every single year, and even every 5 years. So wow, oh, my trees are crazy. Look at that. I was just showing you guys this yesterday. Nothing on there. It's just showing you guys all of this. Look at some of these Eastern cedar trees. Look at these. Look at that. That's crazy. But yeah, flowering azaleas over here. Wow. All my trees look beautiful. Just wanted to give y'all an update. I mean, while there's snow out here, I'm gonna just keep providing updates. My Japanese maple, look at that. Wow. Out here in the snow. So yeah, look at how much snow this is. This is a very nice little blanket for sure.
Snowy blueberries. There you go, buddy.
Snoop, what you eating over there? Some blueberries? Look at this. I'll show you guys a quick picture of this one. Whew. Yeah, it's starting to blow pretty bad. I'm gonna put this one down so it doesn't fall off the edge of my deck. Yeah, look at that. But like I said, we're getting a little bit closer to spring, even if it doesn't seem like it. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on all my bonsai. Some of these are literally, it's like a blizzard hit. So you know, you just don't see this every year. And you can't even decipher what some of these are. Like especially right here, it looks like a dang blizzard hit. I really don't think this bamboo will survive. This tree will normally do anything to survive, and that's not a bonsai tree. I've just had this about 3 years, and it survived through ice, snow. The leaves are starting to crinkle up pretty bad. Wow. Oh gosh, look at that fellow right here. Yeah, but that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick update. Does not snow very often here. So yeah, some of these is literally like a blizzard hit. I'll catch you guys in the next update.